Hi, DS Global and its team. It's been a pleasure with you for last 1 year. In fact, you all have achieved what people take years to attain. So well done. Keep it up.
Today we are celebrating 1 year of DS Group. I'd like to say that this was 1 year of new learning opportunities, experiences, friendships, good days, and whatnot for all of us. For me, it was a year of self-growth, of finding my second family away from home, and a year of living each day with the same excitement.
1 year of learning is seeing the business theories being practically implemented in real life and becoming a part of an amazing family at DSG.
1 year of pure awesomeness.
Hi, this is Amjad. Today we are celebrating our first anniversary of DSG. So wishing you a good year of learning at DSG. Keep winning together.
1 year of learning.
1 year of learning new things, developing professionally, and making a lot of friends along the way.
1 year of high quality and excellent customer service.
1 year of personal growth.